PickTime versus Pixieset. Which is better? So, when evaluating this PickTime versus Pixieset, two leading client gallery system for photographers, several key factors come into the play, which we will do this, including user-friendly customization option. Now let's talk about the user-friendly because this is very main and this is very important. Both platforms are designed with user experience in mind. They offer drag and drop functionality and sleek interface that simplify the process of uploading and organizing photos. The aspect is a tie as both system, effectively serve their purpose and facilitating easy gallery management for photographers and client alike. So Pixieest is renowned for its clean and minimalistic layout, allowing images to take center stage without distraction. On the other hand, PeakTime excels in customization, offering a wide array of theme, cover videos, and background music options that can transform galleries into immersive experience. PeakTime stand out in the category due to extensive customization capabilities. The client experience is crucial for both platforms, as Pixieest provide mobile-friendly gallery with straightforward purchasing option for print and product. However, PickTime introduce innovative features like the wall art builder, enabling client to visualize photos in their own space. This interface is really nice, right? And there's some additional features and integration. Both platforms offers numerous features beneficial for photographers. Pixie's boost for strong partnership with professional labs and automated workflows, making it slightly more robust in terms of integration. Meanwhile, PickTime includes a built-in client communication tool and analytics, but may lack some of the extensive integration offered by Pixieest. Now let's talk about the pricing. Okay, so let me just open the pricing tab of both of these website here. So pricing structures for both services are similar, but PickTime tends to be more affordable overall. Both platforms offer free option with commission fees, and however the specifies can vary based on features including and sales made through the galleries. So in summary, as you can see here, the charge around for the on peak time they charge $7 for beginners. Monthly on peak CS they charge around $8. On the other hand, they charge $21 for professional. Here, peak CS have much more advanced. As you can see, it is on there are one, two, three, four, five, and there's another one fifth one. So it's completely the final verdict. If you want to know from me, PickTime has extensive customization option, innovative client interface features, and low overall pricing. On the other hand, Pixie's has a user-friendly interface with minimal learning curve, strong integration with professional labs, a clean presentation style that emphasizes your work. So both platforms has a strength and weakness. It's up to you that which you choose. And if you choose any one of them, let me know in the comment box.